Welcome back to the Affordable Adventures channel. My name is Magdal, and in this video I'm sharing my latest updates on the road to 10,000 travel points which I intend to spend on a future family trip. If you haven't seen the first video in this series where I share how I turn my Walmart groceries into travel points, I'll have it linked in the description box below. At the end of that video, I had a total of 2398 points, and the last transaction I had from that time were my groceries from August 29th. Since then, I've added a few more points thanks to my regular gas fill-ups and the monthly boost from my travel credit card. Those credit card points are basically a total of all the points I earned from purchases I made with the card throughout the month. The bank applies the points to my account around the 5th of the next month, so that's when I know how much I earned in the previous month. This is my points transaction history since the 29th of August. And if you look closely, you'll see that I got a decent amount of points from grocery bonuses and gas bonuses. These are my biggest categories because these are the things I most frequently spend money on as someone with a family. Based on this, my new points balance is 2631 points, which means that I got a total of 233 new points since August 29. I now have 7,369 points left to get to my goal of 10,000 travel points. So we'll see how it goes in the future and how long it takes me to accumulate those 7,000 plus points. Check out the related videos in the description box to follow along this journey. If you found this video useful, then give it a big thumbs up, share with someone you think will find it helpful as well, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!